Model, 2010 Volkswagen Transporter T30 102Ps Tdi long wheelbase, 2.0 Motd ready to work low mileage. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 103,399. MOT, the 1st of January 2026. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 Tdi 102Ps. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, aircon, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.